Want to close your Wells Fargo account? Here's what to do. First, you can't close it fully online, but you have 3 options. Call Wells Fargo at 1-800-869-3557. Visit a local branch. If you're outside the U.S., download and mail the account closure request form. Before closing, make sure your account has 0 or positive balance, no pending transactions are left, no overdrafts or legal holds. Common issues that block closure include inactive accounts. You'll need to reactivate first. Linked services like overdraft protection or balance sweeps prime or premier accounts waiting for a final statement. Any pledged funds or restrictions. Important, cancel all auto payments, subscriptions, and debit card charges before closing. Otherwise, they might bounce and cause fees. Closing a CD or time account? Same process, but if you close early, you may pay a penalty and lose interest. And remember, even accounts with 0 balance will still be charged monthly fees until you request closure. That's it. Quick and simple. Follow for more banking tips.